The Dr. Seuss camera, the Cat in the Hat edition, allows you to create fun and mischievous cards using your photos on your iPhone or iPod Touch. First, select a card. There are over 15 to choose from. Place yourself next to Dr. Seuss characters, or choose to become the children, the things, or the Cat in the Hat himself. Use your iPhone to take a picture with the built-in camera, or use any photo from your photo library if you're using an iPod Touch. Resize and rotate your photo to get the perfect fit. To edit the card, tap the pencil icon. You can hide or show the text. Customize your card by adding fun stamps. If you make a mistake, simply drag the stamp to the trash. Add a border. Or not. Save your masterpiece in your photo library or email it to friends and family. You can even use it as a zany profile picture for Facebook.